Hey everyone, welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Today is Tuesday, February 23rd of 2021, and today we are going to look at Cardano. The entire market has been going down considerably over the past few days. I'm sure you're well aware of. I'm sure you're freaking out just like most people. That's perfectly normal. Don't be too hard on yourself. These times are normal. These times can be unexpected. Right at the kind of the peak moment you think you can't lose is generally when they kick in. And yeah, you're going to regret not taking some more profits. That's normal too. Don't worry about it too much. But let's focus on the positives in these times. I know that's tough to do, but know that we're in a bull market and these times are temporary. So keep your head straight on. Generally, you don't want to be selling on big red candles. That's not financial advice. You can do what you want. But generally you want to sell as the prices are moving up and going very high, and be buying when prices are moving low. And today we're going to look at some levels to watch on Cardano, some levels to watch on Bitcoin, and kind of what is to be expected in the coming days and weeks. So let's go ahead and look at it. So Cardano on the daily. This is the daily. We're going to start with that. So as you can see before, we interacted with this back in February 15th, and we got almost right down to the daily. There's a 21-day moving average, and you can see the past 2 days we've also bounced and wicked right off of it. So this is very, very good sign from Cardano so far. A lot of coins are already down in these areas for their moving averages, so Cardano's looking better than most. If we go and zoom out to the weekly, you could see how big of a move it's made, and this is kind of to be expected, right? You're having 3 solid weeks up, you're going to have a little bit of a pullback. 3 solid weeks up, maybe a little bit of a pullback. That's perfectly healthy. You want that to continue these big moves like this. If it just keeps exploding for 10 weeks in a row, yeah, that'd be cool, but then you're going to have some hell of a red candles coming your way. So honestly, you'd want to take 3 steps up and 2 baby steps back, right? 3 giant steps up, maybe a few baby steps back. Think of it that way, okay? So let's go back to the daily. Keep our heads on straight here and notice how many times we've hit this 21-day. It's okay to get these time to time. So if we start breaking the 21-day on your coin, on Cardano, whatever coin, your next level of support is your next moving average. Right here. Your 50-day moving average. And yeah, that's considerably lower than our 21-day on Cardano. But with the bullishness that I see here so far, it is holding up quite good. A good level for Cardano. Look at this. As my dotted line here comes to this support for all these candles, this is kind of like a nice little temporary floor, and it also is coinciding with their 21-day moving average, so a little bit of an extra support level, if that makes sense to you. So if you want to go look at Bitcoin, I can show you a little bit more. This is Bitcoin on the weekly. As you can see, just a few weeks ago in early January, remember we had a similar type of move. These are 30% drops. 30% up and down, 30% up and down again before moving back up. If you go over to the daily, it's easier to see what we did. We dropped down to the 21-day. We were playing around with it for about 10 days. It's about 10, each candle is a day. So about 10 days, we couldn't hold it. Where did we fall to? Right to our 50-day. We held that as support. So you can think of these like safety nets or levels to a building or layers to a cake, whatever floats your boat. Just know that they get a little bit stronger as you go down. So far we've held the 50-day for Bitcoin as a nice safety net. As you go down, the red level is definitely key. Your 200-day moving average. That you don't want to be breaking. That you break that, you're going straight to hell. Let me show you on the weekly. The weekly is really powerful. Bitcoin has never broken the 200-week moving average. Look at this. These are weekly candles now. The 200-week moving average just started 2 years ago for Bitcoin, 2-3 years ago. We wicked below it, But when you're at the 200-week moving average for anything ever, that's usually the perfect time to buy. This is when smart money buys. That's what this giant wick is. Everyone's got massive buying orders, and all the whales are buying in these areas. All the whales are selling in these areas. It's usually the opposite for newer people. Newer people wouldn't even dream of buying in these areas, right? You don't hear Grandma Sally talking about buying Bitcoin when it's at $3,800. You hear Grandma Sally calling you when the roof is going berserk, right? When the crowds are going ape shit. Going back to Cardano, not get too far ahead of ourselves. So far, this is the level of support. Watch 84 cents. If it breaks that, no, it's broken it a couple times with the wick. I'm talking about for the body of the candle. If you see the thickness of this candle closing down here, breaking this, and then you see your next candle going lower, watch this level. Any coin. These are like safety nets. Keep it in mind. We make 10 videos a week. If you're new here, like and subscribe. We have a Telegram, we have a Twitter, linked in the description below. So check us out there. Try to post some new things every now and then. I'll make another video this afternoon. So I'll be looking for that. Let's get to our car of the day. Our car of the day is probably one of my rarest cars. It is a 1996 Corvette Grand Sport. I've had this since I was about 12 years old, 13 years old. So a long time. My dad got that for me when we visited the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Right when those came out. That was the only place that I'm aware of you could get them. I've never been able to find any on eBay or online anywhere for the convertible. So extremely rare. Nice gift for my dad. I've had it for over 20 years now, so cool car of the day for me. Now our quote of the day. And that's all I got for you on this one, guys. That was Cardano. We'll look for another video this afternoon. I appreciate you. Stay level-headed. Don't be too emotional. Emotions will kill your money. Patience will win in crypto. Be good. Be easy. We'll see you very soon.